Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you recipe of coconut chutney that you can serve along with dosa, idli or any stuffed paratha of your choice.
Let's prepare the hotel style coconut chutney. For this here I have taken one grinding jar. Into the grinding jar add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Then add fresh mint leaves. Wash the mint leaves before you are adding it into the grinder. And then add 2 green chilies or according to your taste. After that add roasted chana dal or roasted chana. I am using roasted chana. Both works well. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. It will enhance the taste of this dip or chutney. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. For this quantity 1 teaspoon of salt is enough, but you can add according to your taste. Half cup of water. After adding the water, cover the lid and grind it into the coarse paste or fine paste depending upon your choice. After grinding, open the lid and the dip is ready. As you can see here, I will show you the consistency. This is slightly coarse, but I like it that way. You can make it more fine if you want to. Now pour this into the separate bowl and you can see the consistency is perfect. If you want to make it more thin, then add little bit of water and then mix it. Now let's start preparing the tempering for this chutney. Into the ladle or the tadka pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil on low medium flame and then add mustard seeds. Let it crackle. Then add 5 to 6 curry leaves. Wait for a couple of seconds, switch off the gas and pour this tempering onto the prepared chutney. It will enhance the taste of the chutney. And now give it a quick mix. You can leave the tempering, but it will enhance the taste of this. You can store this into the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days.
If you like this easy recipe of coconut chutney, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and Twitter. You can find the link in the description box. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you.